In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formulas in Notion. If you're taking notes for a math class, documenting research, or just want clean, readable equations in your workspace, this quick approach will get you there without any extra setup. Start on the Notion page where you want your math to appear, then type /formulas and press Enter. That slash command inserts a formula block right into your page. You'll see a dedicated space that renders math nicely on its own line, and your cursor will be ready for input. If you see a menu pop up as you type the slash, just keep going until you've entered the full command and confirm it. Notion will drop in the block and handle the formatting for you automatically. With the formula block in place, you can start constructing formulas directly inside it. Notion uses text-style syntax, which means you type plain text that turns into polished math as you go. For example, use the caret for exponents like x equals 2 and the underscore for subscripts like x equals 1. Wrap multiple characters in curly braces to keep them together, such as x or a total. Fractions are written with ply frac, square roots with cortisone, and nested expressions with braces like bs2. For summations and integrals, try t sum one all or watch an intis z 1 x dx. You can insert Greek letters with commands like alpha, slash beta, and kitani slash theta, and arrows with slash right arrow or left right arrow. If you need regular text alongside math, slash text slash like this keeps words formatted properly. As you type, the block will render your expression so you can immediately see whether your braces, parentheses, and operators are balanced and visually clear. If you're not familiar with text syntax, search for a text equation guide to create your equation. A quick search for a text or LaTeX math cheat sheet will give you a list of common symbols and patterns you can reuse, from matrices and accents to advanced operators. You can copy an example, paste it into your Notion formula block, and then tweak it to match your needs. It's a great way to learn by example, and it helps ensure your expressions follow the correct structure. That's all. Type /formulas and press Enter, build your expression in the formula block using text-style syntax, and refer to a text equation guide whenever you need symbols or patterns you don't remember. Notion will keep everything neatly rendered and automatically saved as you go.